Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our tablet and then find a tab which is named Home Screen. Click on it and here you can see the home screen layout. As you can see, currently it's Home and App Screen. So let me show you how it looks. As you can see, I got two pages on the home screen, and if I will swipe up, I will open the app screen. Now, if we will switch the layout to home screen only and click apply, after this all of the applications will move to the home screen, and if you will swipe up you will open the notifications, but the app screen doesn't exist anymore. So looking on this, you can choose the function which is the most comfortable for you, but I prefer the first one with the app screen. So let's choose it again, and this was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.